Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll just be doing an update on the Crown Vic. You see it's sitting nice, looking great. I took it out for a spin today. Walk around, get a nice glance of the car. Like I said, it looks very good. Been taking care of it. So today is basically an update on the car. Just a few things. Starting with this light. So I don't want to order another light for this side, so I was thinking about just going back with this one. But then again, it won't match the other side, so I don't know. Guess I have to might just end up ordering another light like this one, which is the Mercury Marauder style, to go on this side. This is the Crown Vic black housing signal. I actually show it to you. Got one in the trunk. So this is that one. I just never got around to putting this one on the other side. So that's how it used to look. That's how it looks now. Like I said, the headlights, they're still pretty good. It's the side light. So I'm not going to put this one on because it's more than likely going to end up fading like that. So I'll just end up ordering, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Either order another Marauder light or just go back with the regular style Crown Vic turn signal lights, whatever you call it. Like that. Other than the lights, the car is pretty good to go. Engine is running good. Checked all the fluids already. I try to keep it maintained best as possible. It is time to clean it again under the hood. Last time, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've seen the video where we sprayed the whole engine bay. A lot of people, well, I'm not gonna say a lot, but some people were like, no, don't do it like that, you're gonna mess something up, but still running fine. But this time I'm gonna do it a little bit different. Might not spray it like we did last time. Not that that was a problem, but probably just do more of a wipe down, see can I wipe much as I can off, or I'm gonna try that. We're gonna try that technique. But I know spraying it, you buy the degreaser. You can buy it from wherever you choose, parts store, Walmart, and just spray the degreaser all over it. And come back with the hose and with a pressure hose and spray it off. If you haven't seen that video, you should watch it. I'll probably leave a link to it down in the description below. You can go back and check it out. It's definitely about that time. I think that was what, a year ago. So now it has accumulated a lot of dirt since then and dust and stuff. So I'm gonna try to keep the engine bay clean, especially if you have to work on it. You don't want to have too much grease and dirt everywhere if you can avoid it. I don't know. The black grill, thinking about going with a chrome grill. I think that's like the last piece of the cop look. So thinking about getting rid of it, even though it does match the lights. I think the chrome, like I said, get rid of the cop look on it. And then the only last piece that I have the cop look would be the, let's see, round back. Thinking about taking this, well, I'm gonna leave this piece, but I do want to do like a chrome trim all the way around. But this would be the only last cop looking piece on the car. Other than that, it'll look like a basic Crown Vic. So let me know what you think on that. So we changed the grill to chrome. Leave it black. I think I'm ready for chrome. Currently there is 146,722 miles on the car. Still running great. I am running the Royal Purple for the engine oil, so it's definitely got it running pretty smooth. The ABS light, I'm going to do another video on that. Only thing I have to do is pull the back seat up again, replug it up, and hopefully the ABS light goes. I know it will go back off, but hopefully it functions properly. Because I know once I had the little the maintenance I had to do back there, I think like debris or gear oil or something got to the sensor. So it's been a while. I have cleaned it up, and so now I should be able to plug it back up, and that light goes off. And then once I get around to it, I'll get the tools for the O2 sensor and put that in. It's a nice day out here to do it today, but I know I won't get to it. Don't feel like getting up on the car today. Excuse the airplane. First it was a fire truck, now it's an airplane flying by. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll do another update on the Crown Vic. I am still going to sell it, so I'm just trying to finish getting it all together and getting it cleaned up and get the lights off, and it'll be ready to go. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.